Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us tech enthusiasts might face at some point. So here's the problem. I recently got my hands on 5 used SAS HDDs, thinking they were SATA, only to discover they were producing a strange clicking noise when in idle. Quite the surprise indeed. Now, onto the solution part. It turns out that running a specific command can work wonders in this situation. By using the Smartctl tlong devsdX command and waiting for it to do its magic, we were able to resolve the issue. A simple yet effective solution to tackle those pesky noises. Moving on with the solution, after running the command and allowing it to complete its task, we observed a significant improvement. The Smartctl devsdX command provided valuable insights, with the error counter log showing a substantial number of errors corrected. It's amazing how a simple command can make such a difference. In summary, running the Smartctl tlong devsdX command, followed by Smartctl devsda, can work wonders in resolving the clicking noise issue with SAS HDDs. It's always fascinating how technology can help us tackle unexpected challenges, isn't it? Well, that's all for today, folks. Remember to subscribe, like the video, and drop a witty comment below. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks, and I'll catch you in the next one.